Today we have a 2017 Subaru Crosstrek, 10,000 miles, clean AutoCheck. Comes with a balance of factory warranty. Give you a look. See, it has usual Subaru styling up front. Has the chrome grille with the plastic mesh inserts. Has the LED lights built into the headlights. Has the chrome headlight housings. Also has the fog lights with a nice chrome trim around those. If you look at the tires and wheels, it does have a 17-inch. It's a chrome wheel with a black center. It's kind of unique, kind of nice looking on this particular car. Tires have around 3/4 tread. They are Yokohama tires. And you will notice it has a roof rack and it has a satellite radio antenna. If you look at the inside, it is black on black, black seating, black carpets. It does have some nice brushed aluminum on the dash and on the door panels. And you'll see from the gear shifter there, it is a manual car. Back seat has the bench seat that goes across. Actually, it's pretty roomy in the back. And for cargo, if you need more room to haul anything back there, these seats fold down flat. The seat's not pushed up quite the whole way, but get the idea there. Back tires and wheels go about the same tread on the tires all the way around. And you see on the back, the badging, Subaru all-wheel drive, of course, Crosstrek. Does have rear defrost, rear wiper. And you'll see in the back here, it does come with nice rubber floor mats too. The carpeted ones are in there right now, and you're only supposed to have one set. So we put the carpeted ones in, and the rubber ones are back there. See, it does have a fairly nice size hatch area with the seats folded down. You have a little cover there, you can cover whatever you're hauling. Look in that side. The seat folds down as well as the other side. Give you a look at the interior. We'll notice power windows, locks and mirrors are all on the driver's door. Just inside the driver's door, by where your left knee would be, you have your dimmer switch for your interior lighting, you have your traction control, and you have your gas button for your gas door. On the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and voice activation controls, buttons for your heads-up display, your audio controls, and you have your cruise control buttons on there also. These have driver and passenger side airbags. These have AM, FM, CD radio, and your heating and air conditioning controls. Like I mentioned earlier, it is a manual car, has 5-speed. You have your e-brake, along with some cup holders there. The center armrest, which folds up for storage space. And of course your glove box. 4 ways are up here. I'm gonna light the dash up here and give you a little peek at that. You will see the current mileage, 10,149. And I wanted to light this up to give you a look at that screen too. You have your outside temperature, you have your distance, you can go on your fuel, you have your clock, and your on-off reminder light for your passenger side airbag. And we'll go ahead and turn this on quick. Just to give you a look what that screen looks like. You can run your phone and everything straight through here, of course, and your Pandora. Anything you want to sync up with your radio, you can do that. We're going to go ahead and start the engine up and give you a look out under the hood. rest of the information is clean under there as well. Subaru does have a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine, which paired with 5-speed manual transmission. You get pretty good fuel economy with these. All-wheel drives have come a long way. It used to be the all-wheel drives you had to really sacrifice on fuel economy, but you get pretty good fuel mileage anymore with them. And the last thing we are going to do on the video is, once we get the car shut off here, we're going to walk around and I'm going to see if we can find any blemishes to show you. We try to be real upfront here about that. That way you don't waste your time coming out if there's something that makes you not be interested. There are a couple little scratches on the hood. They have been buffed. Not real super noticeable. There's one right there. Wheels all look really nice. No curb rash or anything on those. Back bumper looks real good. A lot of the times you'll have scratches or scrapes on the top of that bumper from people loading and unloading cargo. And I forgot to show you earlier, actually when I was showing you around, I forgot to show you underneath the hatch right there is the rear backup cam. It does have the rear backup cam. There is a scrape on the driver's side rear door right there. It's about an inch long probably. Other than those couple little scratches, it's actually a nice clean piece. If you're interested in coming and taking a look at it, or maybe setting up a test drive, you can call one of our salespeople. Be glad to help you out. Number here is 717-485-4224, or you can look us up on the website, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.